Hello friends, so here we are and I want to show you my new Knipex pliers. These are not usual pliers, they are something different from what you see every day. So let's start from this guy. This is from their mechanic plier line, or Knipex calls this plier mechanics plier. Here you can see that part number is temp TRS 3831200, made in Germany, and the best traditions for the handle Knipex offers. Same as on the other tools. Here I have my bent nose plier, also the same story with the handle. Main difference we can see here is the jaw of the plier, which is bent, but this bent angle is something unusual. Here you can see it. I think this plier will be good solution to reach the items and make the jobs in the tight areas where the place is restricted. If we compare these two, here you can see the bent nose plier moves very freely, but this does not move freely. I have noticed this on Knipex tools, that some of them moves freely and some of them not. Now I will oil this plier with some Mercedes gearbox oil and think it will operate smoothly. So once again, from this point they have almost the same handles and the style is the same, but the main difference we have here is the head and the jaw, which is angled. This is something different. I have first saw this type of plier here. Can you see the difference? I think it is very good that Knipex offers almost every style plier for almost every job. This is my channel lock regular needle nose plier, US made, very good heavy duty tool. I have it about 5 years and like it. You can see how different is the middle Knipex. This was discounted to 18 euros, 1 and 8, 18 euros from 28, and with no doubt I bought it. I like it very much. Who knows where I will need it. These are the jaws, and if we compare this to the bent nose plier, the jaw structure is different. I think that mechanic plier will grab items with much force and securely compared to the bent nose plier. Depending on the jaw structure and knurling it offers us. Let's do some exercises to make the plier work smoothly. What can I say? Great tool, something different, but definitely worth to have in your toolbox or in garage. For 18 euros, this is good purchase for me. And the second tool, as you can see here, is also the plier, but I will show you a little bit late what makes it special. This is Knipex made in Germany. Here is the part number, logo. This plier is made for ear clamps. It is showed and written on the tool itself. Heavy duty plier enough. The handle is red rubberized, as Knipex offers. This plier can be used only with the ear clamps on houses, tubes, which we can meet on the car. And this plier allows us to work with the different angles, forward and by side. I mean that you can grab the house clamp and install it with this type. Now I will, with this way, now I will grab the clamp. This is not the ear clamp, but I will demonstrate now what I mean in overall. Let's imagine that this is ear clamp plier, ear clamp, and this is on the tube. We must install it. You can install this in this way with the plier, straight forward, and if the clamp is situated with such angle and the area is restricted, you can use the plier and install clamp with this side angle. This Knipex tool allows us to do the job. Both options, and I like it very much. This was in my wish list very long time. Also I had chance to pick it up with the discount from 29 euros. It was discounted to 23, and with no doubt I bought it. For the two pliers I have paid about 42 euros, and I think for German made pliers this is not very big amount of the money. These are not pliers you will use every day, but in some situations on the drive shafts and other stuff there are some clamps which definitely needs to be tightened with this type of plier. So guys, I definitely recommend these tools. Knipex is the best for the pliers, and if you have a chance to grab it with a discount, go and buy it. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, please make sure to subscribe. I will catch you in the next episode, so thank you once again. Greetings my friends, and goodbye.